In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Samsung Music Player on any Android device. Simply go on Google, search here Samsung Music Player, Pling, write this, then simply tap on search, tap on this website, scroll down, tap on files. Here you get the Samsung Music versions. I am selecting the latest one. Tap on download, go in details. As you can see, Samsung Music is installed. Tap on this, tap on install. Samsung Music is installed in my device. Let's open it. Tap on continue. Again, allow the permissions. As you can see, I have installed Samsung Music in my Redmi device. So this is how you can download Samsung Music Player on any Android device. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.